This Christmas feels different. The bands are quieter, nets are thinner, repeaters go silent for hours, and traditions we used to hold sacred don't feel as alive anymore. This might be the last great ham radio Christmas, and that should shake us because we used to be everywhere. Let's talk about it. Merry Christmas and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you being here. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm on the drive for 10,000 subscribers. We're getting very close. When we do, I'm going to give away an HF radio, an ICOM 7300, right here on HamShackTV Live. So make sure you subscribe and stick around and get a friend to subscribe to. Let's get it done. You know, radios, they were under the tree. Kids unwrapped HTs, scanners, shortwave listening rigs, walkie-talkies, kits they'd solder together with their dad. The airwaves buzzed with curiosity, not cynicism. Back then, the magic wasn't just the gear. It was the people, the excitement, the learning, the spark. But somewhere along the line, that spark faded. We argued more than we mentored. We mocked beginners instead of building them up. We let club politics suffocate innovation. We dismissed new tech instead of embracing it. We stopped showing up. And now we sit here at Christmas looking at the quiet bands and the shrinking rosters, wondering why the magic is gone. That's why this Christmas matters. Because if we don't change something now, this really could be the last great ham radio Christmas. The last one where the bands still have old voices on them. The last one where there are people to hand something down to. The last one before silence becomes normal. The truth is harsh. Ham radio doesn't die because the FCC takes spectrum. Ham radio dies because we stop participating. And while we reflect on that, I want to thank today's sponsor, Gigaparts. Not just because they support this channel, but because they actually support this hobby. Gigaparts stocks the radios, parts, upgrades, and tools. They keep hams active. Whether you're outfitting a shack, building a kit, or getting your first HF rig, if we want ham radio to survive, we need people using radios, learning, experimenting, and operating. And for a lot of us, Gigaparts is where those radios come from. So check out their holiday deals at gigaparts.com. And if you use my coupon code HamShackTV at checkout, you get double rewards points. If you buy ICOM or GASU, you get 4 times the rewards points. So check out gigaparts.com because getting a new radio into someone's hands this Christmas might matter more than we think. Because maybe this isn't the last great ham radio Christmas. Maybe this is the turning point, the wake-up call, the reminder that we can still show up, still mentor, still build, still learn, still transmit, and still matter. Ham radio doesn't die until we let it. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. And don't look at this, let's not let this be the Christmas we look back on and regret. Check out all the great vendors and options down in the description down below. All those certainly help the channel grow, including Amazon. So check out Gigaparts, guys. I think you're going to enjoy what you find over there. HamShackTV. It's your coupon code. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas. AA4WX, WSCB 693.